Okay, this is our favorite game. You got it, good job! Michael is interested in the camera. Hi! Hi! You're stuck on the... You're stuck! You're stuck! There you go. There's the happy purr. Oh, you got it. They need their nails clipped because they're really sharp. And they're probably ruining my furniture. And I have a cut. I don't know if you can see that. Jermaine is more in the playing mood right now. Ooh. And Michael is more in the exploring mood right now.